looking for worksheets to learn Arabic calligraphy in the Nastaliq and Farsi Script on the software called Procreate, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, this is Muhammad Harun from Canvas Wonders, helping you create something worth wonders today. For those of you that are new here and don't know who I am an Arabic calligrapher and self-taught graphic designer. I help people beautify their homes with Arabic calligraphic artworks, and here on YouTube I help people learn Arabic calligraphy with useful tips and tutorials. If that's something that interests you, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. And let's get started. To start, click Import. Once you've purchased the Procreate worksheets from my website, you can upload it to cloud. I have used Dropbox. Once you've located your file, click on it and it imports. And here it is. Because I've already got it installed, I delete this and open the one I already have. To use the worksheet, you need the Farsi brushes, which are available on my website too. Plus, I've made another video on how to install and use them. These are the 7 brushes for Procreate. I'll be using the plain brush in this video. And I'll be choosing the color blue. The size of the brush I'll be using is 30%. So before we start, I just want to show you the layers. Each practice line is on a locked layer, and above it is a layer which you can write on. Make sure to check and tick the layer so you can write on it. I can't write here as the layer is hidden. Now that it's checked, we're able to write. As you can see, the letter have red arrows explaining the strokes and directions. To learn calligraphy traditionally, you can print these and follow my other tutorials on how to write Nasta'liq with pen and paper. These brushes are pressure sensitive. No pressure creates a thin line, heavy pressure makes a thick line. Light pressure makes a medium line. The more pressure applied, the thicker it gets, like this stroke. As I'm applying more pressure, it thickens. The only way to make variations in a stroke is with pressure sensitivity. For the remaining demo, I will be quiet unless something is important and needs to be mentioned. Now we've finished with this, you can hide the layer
and we can move on to the next one. So now we have over here, we have the letter Ba.
Question of the day. What are you struggling on when it comes to digital calligraphy? Whether that's on Photoshop, whether that's on Illustrator, whether that's Affinity Designer, whether it's on Procreate. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try to make a video around it, try to tackle these problems. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And check out the other awesome videos I have on this channel, because I'm sure they'll bring you some value. Thank you so much for watching this video. And as always, may peace be with you.